What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We are going to be talking today about this weekend plan, okay? We're going to be talking about how this is going to be going, where I'm going to be staying, and what's the plan for the whole weekend, okay? So first and foremost, I want to really say thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. We hit 100 subscribers recently, which is amazing. Thank you so much for all of the subs. I guess you guys can call yourself like the OG ones, which is pretty awesome. Thank you so much again for that. So this weekend I'm going to Gamescom, as you know. I'm gonna be attending Gamescom in Cologne. I'm going tomorrow, actually I'm driving tomorrow. In the morning, I'm going with my car. If you didn't see the video, you can go check it out on YouTube, on my channel. I'm going with my car. I'm gonna be having the trip to Cologne, and then we're gonna be checking out Gamescom and some other stuff. Now, I wanted to give you just a quick plan so you know what is gonna be going on. First of all, I'm driving tomorrow in the morning, and then I have like a 6-7 hour trip to there. After 3 p.m. I have to check into the Airbnb where we're going to be staying. I'm going to be staying with a few other people from the community, which is pretty amazing. And then at 4 p.m. I'm going to be attending Gamescom tomorrow. The number one thing that I'm looking for is, of course, Need for Speed Heat. Definitely going to give that a try if I can. I know the waiting line is huge for the game, but I'll try to give it a try, you know, and get my own opinion about the game. I said I'm going to be making a YouTube video specifically about Need for Speed Heat, but I think that already all of the bigger YouTubers, you know, like Straight Up Hippo, Black Panther, and all the other guys, they all already did a great job on explaining everything and telling you all the info, because they got, you know, they got their hands on earlier than me. So you probably heard everything that you need to know if you're excited about the game. But next week, once I'm home, I will be editing all the video, and I'll probably give my opinion once I have my hands on, and I'm gonna be telling you what I thought about the game and what are my opinions about it. But that's about Need for Speed Heat. That's probably number one thing that I really want to check out. Number two is definitely Grid. This is another racing game that is coming out this year, and it's coming actually pretty soon. It's coming now in September. So I know there's a playable version of that. I definitely want to try that out, see how that acts, how it drives, how it plays, and I'm gonna probably give my opinion on that as well once I'm home next week. On top of that, there are gonna be some other games definitely that I want to give it a try. First of all, I'm a huge Call of Duty fan. I know I didn't play recently that much, but the new one, the Modern Warfare that is coming out this year, looks really, really, really good from what I saw, and I'm really excited and definitely want to give it a try. My opinion won't matter that much, because if I'm not mistaken, from what I saw, the only playable version of Call of Duty is for now like on the PlayStation, so it's on the controller. And since I'm on a PC, you know, I'm not much of a gamepad shooter guy. I'm not really good with the gamepad. I'm more of a mouse and a keyboard player, you know. But I'll give it a try. I definitely want to see how it is and how it acts. So that's another game. I know there is no playable version of Cyberpunk, but there is like a 25-minute gameplay video that you can watch. If I can get there and have a look at that, that would be amazing, because I'm really excited about Cyberpunk. I really am, and if I can get that, if I can see that gameplay, because I think I heard it's like behind closed doors, so you can see the gameplay, but you're not allowed to record it or anything else. So definitely want to check that out. Another game that I really want to check out is the new Watch Dogs. So the previous two Watch Dogs were really not that welcomed by everybody, and they didn't blow up that crazy. But this one looks interesting, you know, so I definitely want to see that, how that feels. And on top of that, there are a lot of other things, a lot of other booths that I want to check out. Like, I don't know, from gaming gear to like some other games that we already have. I think SCS Software is there with the trucking sim. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I want to check out at the Gamescom. Now, once we are done with Friday, we're going back to our Airbnb. We're gonna be staying there. We're probably gonna, I don't know, have some fun Friday evening, you know, maybe we go out. I don't know, maybe I'll record that. I might vlog that as well. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole trip, so there's gonna be definitely some video coverage of all of that. But yeah, that's for Friday. We're gonna be, if we may, as I said, we might go out. So we're gonna be sleeping till, I guess we need to wake up at 10 a.m. because we need to check out until 11 a.m. from the Airbnb. After that, we are going to Düsseldorf to JP Performance. If you never heard about it, JP is a huge YouTuber. He's having his own garage. He's modifying cars. That's in his building 1. Now building 2 is literally across the street, and in building 2 he has its merch store and a burger shop where you can get some hamburgers and, you know, while you're sitting next to some of his cars that he built, like a GTR, both the GTR R35 and the R34, and some there's gonna be a bunch of cars in there. Definitely want to check that out. It's pretty far if I'm going from here to JP just for JP, but since I'm already there, it's a great opportunity to check it out, you know, and be there. I might pick up some merch from there. That would be amazing. But yeah, we're gonna be visiting JP, and we're gonna be driving then back from JP to Gamescom, because on Saturday at 4 p.m. I can go back in. So we're gonna be going for Saturday evening as well on Gamescom. I'm gonna be checking out some of the stuff that I didn't check on Friday or forgot. I'm gonna try to cover as much as possible from Gamescom. So Gamescom is gonna go till 8 p.m. After that, I'm going to my car and I'm driving home. This is the scary part now. Why? Because I have to drive home for like 7 hours, and I'm gonna be driving the whole night. Since I'm gonna be pretty exhausted through the day, it's gonna be hard to drive home, and I hope I don't fall asleep. In case I get tired, where I feel like, okay, I'm really tired, I need to get some sleep, I'll just pull on the side, you know, or a rest stop and get some sleep there, and then drive home once I wake up. But yeah, that's kind of the idea, you know, for Gamescom and the whole road trip that I'm gonna be having with that. Now for you guys, I have some questions, and I would love if you can leave those answers down in the comments below. I really am interested what you guys think about it. First of all, what info do you want me to bring from Gamescom? Like, do you have something specific that you want to know? Any questions about that, you can leave down below. Second, what games should I check out? If I didn't mention them before and there's a game you feel like I should check out, definitely be sure to write it down in the comments. Be like, yo, you should check out this game, or this game looks fun. I'll definitely, if I have the time, I'm gonna try and check them out and see how they are and if they're fun, you know, and give you some insight into the game if I can. And the third question would be, what is the game that you are excited about from Gamescom? What game do you look up for? What game are you excited about? Definitely leave that comment as well there. I'm really excited. I really want to know what you guys are looking for from Gamescom. But yeah, that's gonna be it, I guess. This is just a small overview. It's not small, it's 10 minutes, but basically this is a small overview of the whole plan for this weekend. The videos are gonna be going out next week because my vacation is ending this week, so I'm starting to work full-time back next week. So between full-time working and then streaming in the evening, I'm gonna be trying to make at least some kind of vlog videos so I can upload that daily to YouTube. It's probably gonna be cut in multiple parts and then just upload it through the week, depending how much time I have for editing and all of that, okay? But yeah, I'm pretty excited for the whole thing. It's starting tomorrow. Hope you guys are as well. If you still didn't, be sure to subscribe. Other than that, I'm streaming every single day. You can find me on Twitch live every single day from Monday till Friday from 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. But yeah, other than that, thank you so much for checking out the video. As always, stay cool, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.